Excel is a fantastic program for doing calculations and creating charts and graphs. There are a lot of interesting things we can do with it. Unfortunately, most mobile devices aren't able to handle Excel as is. However, we can take an Excel document and present it as an HTML5 document and let people see that material directly. So let's have a go at doing that. So in button 5, I've got nothing at the moment, just my placeholder. So that's sitting here in button 5. I'm going to take an Excel spreadsheet and I'm going to turn it into something that my students will be able to have a look at. I've already called it index.xls. That just gives it a quicker procedure in terms of getting it ready. So here's my spreadsheet that I'm wanting to work with. I've already created a nice little one. This is one that I have used in live presentations where I've gone through and I've done a quick survey and found out, well, how many iPhones are in the audience and how many Android phones there are and whether there's a Windows phone there and who's got an iPad and who's got a tablet. An Android one, and usually there's no Windows tablets around, maybe no Kindles around, and how many people have got Macs with them and how many people have got Windows PCs. So just a nice spreadsheet that brings up some data in my chart down here. Now what I'd like to do is to be able to give that chart to my mobile devices so that they can have a look at that data to write with it or do whatever. So we've got an Excel spreadsheet. We're wanting to give it to our participants. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a file save as per normal. I'm going to leave it back on the desktop. I'm not saving it directly to where I need it. I'm going to drag and drop it there, as you can see. Now I've already got it called index because I want it to end up as an index.html file. So I come to my web page here and I'm going to change the extension so that it includes the L because our template is always using that. When it's doing a link, it's looking for an index.html file. And we'll click on save. Okay, yes, we do want to keep it. We know that some of the things are not going to work, but we'll keep it as best we can. It's gone away and saved it. Let's minimize. Actually, we'll close. Well, just minimized it there. We better go and find it. Where did it put it? Here it is down here, and it's created some index files to go with it. Oops, I have to move that across so we can see it. So let's just open it up and make sure it is actually something that's working. It's going to take a moment to load up here, and so there is my index.html as a picture file for my participants to be able to see, my students. So now I'm going to drag those two into my button 5, replace the index file that's already there. It's there now, and now if I come into my button 5, refresh, and there is my file. So it's available for me now directly as an item for people to be able to view, so they can look on it. It's not a live document, it's just a document. So we're able to effectively print our Excel spreadsheet. In this case, it was a live graph, and send it here. Now, of course, I could be updating this. I've done these in the middle of a presentation. I've collected that data and then I've quickly dragged and dropped it into my button and been able to hand it out to the people, and they can take it away with them, or they've got it as a live document in the sense that it's on their document, their device during the session. Simple system, saving your Excel spreadsheet files as HTML.